Hey FABRIC users! In this video, I'll be showing you the upload and execute a script notebook. In the FABRIC API examples, this notebook is the first under the experiment configuration section. First, let's see what resources are being used in this notebook. In Jupyter, you can quickly find the directory of a loaded file by right-clicking the File tab and then selecting Show in File Browser. In this directory, there's the notebook we're currently viewing and a shell script. Let's take a look at that script. This script uses the yum tool to install a software package passed in as a command line argument. If you use Red Hat Enterprise, Fedora, or CentOS Linux distributions among others, this should be familiar to you. Back in the notebook, let's go ahead and run the first 3 cells. This will create a simple slice with one node. Now our slice is up and running. We'll use the node's upload file method to pass the script we saw earlier into our main directory of our node. It's important to note that the first parameter for upload file is the local path on our Jupyter Hub server, and the second is the location in our remote node where we want to upload our file to. The local path is relative to the directory of this notebook, which we currently have loaded on the left. Now that we've uploaded our script, we can run it on our node. Earlier, we saw that we would pass the names of software packages into our script using command line arguments. These packages are nettools, tcpdump, and vim. After making the script executable, we will then run it with these arguments and send the standard output to the remote config.log file. To view this output, we can now download config.log into our Jupyter Hub server. We'll do this using the node's download file method, which works very similarly to upload file. For a more thorough description of both of these methods, check out the Technical User Guide's FABLib API in the knowledge base. Now that we've saved this file, we can view it by opening it in our file browser or by running this bash command. Once you've finished this experiment, if you don't need the node for anything else, please delete the slice at the bottom of the notebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful.